First of all, we're gonna open settings. Over here, scroll down in order to find sound and vibration option. Next, on the right side here, we have a ringtone. So let's select this option. You should be redirected to the Themes app where ringtone will be selected. And you have three options. You can either try to find a song, music, ringtone, whatever, from this list, and you can tap on this bell icon on the right side in order to set the ringtone. If you have your own audio file saved on the storage of your smartphone, then you can also go to the local ringtone over here. You can go to audio files, and then you can select the audio file from this list in order to add it to the list over here, and then you can press apply in order to use that ringtone. Or you can just go to pre-installed ringtones in order to open the list of ringtones. Also go to ringtone here, and you should be able to find all ringtones that you have on your smartphone. You can even tap on them in order to play the ringtones. You have a preview, and it will be also immediately selected. So whenever you find your favorite one, you can just simply go back after that. And that's it. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, and subscribe.